In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save Excalidraw. If you've created a sketch diagram or quick wireframe in Excalidraw and want to keep it for later, there are a few straightforward ways to save your work depending on how you plan to use it. First, head to excalidraw.com and open or create your drawing. Once you're ready to save, the most flexible option is to keep an editable copy. Open the menu in the top left corner, go to File, choose Save As, and then select Save to Disk. This downloads a .excalidraw file, which you can reopen in Excalidraw to continue editing every shape and layer. By default, it may land in your Downloads folder, so it's a good idea to move it into a project folder and give it a clear name. If you iterate often, consider adding a version or date to the file name so you can track changes. To double check it's saved correctly, you can open Excalidraw again and drag that file back in to confirm everything looks right. If you need a static image instead, you can export your drawing as PNG or SVG. Open the menu, go to File, then Export, and choose Export as PNG or Export as SVG. PNG is a great choice for slide decks or screenshots, while SVG is ideal for crisp graphics that scale cleanly in design tools or on the web. In the export settings, decide whether to include a background or make it transparent. You can also adjust the scaling. Increasing the scale gives you higher resolution output, which is helpful for printing or large displays. Keep in mind that higher scales can make the file larger. When you're happy with the settings, download the file and check your Downloads folder, then move it to a safe location. Finally, if you want us to quickly share your drawing without sending files back and forth, use a shareable link. Look to the top right and click Share, then choose Export to Link. Excalidraw will generate a link that you can copy and send to teammates or clients so they can view your current drawing. Only share links with people you trust, since anyone with the link can access the content you exported. To recap, save an editable .excalidraw file when you want to keep working on the design, export PNG or SVG when you need a polished image, and use a shareable link for quick viewing. Pick the option that fits your workflow, and you'll always have your Excalidraw work right where you need it.